Hi everyone, Hannah here at ColDesi. Thanks for tuning in to this DTG quick tip. I'm here today to talk to you about the different sheets that can be used with your DTG printer. First up, we have the matte release paper. This is good for curing dark garments to give a soft matte finish. It's good for about 5 to 10 uses, but once it starts to wrinkle, it needs to be replaced because those wrinkles can be transferred onto the garment. Next, we have the silicone release paper. This is recommended for pre-presses and can be used for the pre-treatment of a white shirt. It is recommended that it is used with non-white ink prints. It can be used as an alternative to a Teflon sheet, but it will give white ink a semi-gloss finish. This sheet is good for about 15 to 30 presses. Next, we have our Teflon sheet. The Teflon sheet gives an ultra glossy finish to white ink prints. The Teflon sheet can be used forever, but it does need to be cleaned frequently. Lastly, we have our Scorch prevention sheets. These are made of a polyester material and they prevent the yellowing or the scorching of shirts. They're recommended on light colored garments to prevent the scorching or staining during pre-treatment. They come with 10 to a pack and they can be used for months, basically until they become dirty or they become brown. Thanks for watching this DTG quick tip. I hope you enjoyed learning more about our matte release paper, our silicone release paper, the Teflon sheets, and the Scorch prevention sheets.